Welcome to CA Raja classes. Are you a non-finance manager? Are you aspiring to reach top position in your organization? Then this bundle course is for you. It's a bundle of 6 courses carefully selected for non-finance managers to understand the basics of financial domain. Unless and until you acquire proficiency in financial matters, you can't raise. Even if you raise to top, you can't sustain long. So take this bundle, get access to 2500 plus lectures with lifelong access and reach your destination. Let's see what are the courses that are included in this bundle. You can see Accounting Basics, a complete study, Banking Credit Analysis. Even though it is mentioned as for bankers, it is very much relevant on the opposite side also, that is for customers. And if you want to raise to top in your organization, you should know what are the expectations of bankers in terms of performance, in terms of financial metrics. This course deals with all that. Then financial management. If an organization is not having proper financial management, let whatever be its strength, it will collapse. So this course will teach you that. Finance for non-finance executives. This exactly looks at things from non-finance executives perspective. Then cost accounting, a comprehensive study to understand cost accounting related matters, and basics of commerce. This will give you insight into various commercial matters. Okay, so these 6 courses are included, and if you look at the approximate price, it is 1999 into 6, 11,994, but you get 79% off. It means you can enroll for just 2,499.